Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using just a little bit of text and images. So let's start. By the way, you can free download this template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up a blank slide and insert a 16:9 image and cover the entire slide with it. So this is going to be our background image, which we're going to use for the background. And we're going to go to picture corrections. And then what we're going to do is decrease the brightness. So let's just move it to -28%. Close the format background, go to Insert tab and insert a text box. In this text box, what you're gonna do right is the title. So you can download the font from Google Chrome if you want. Next, the color I'm gonna use for the text box is orange. Next, we're gonna insert another text box in which we're gonna write our first letter of our title. And because I want the text to be overlapping, so we're gonna be using separate text boxes for each of the the text box. So let's just increase the transparency of the text box and then give it some shadow, the fourth number. And the next thing we're gonna do is just duplicate it and put it next to each other. And then we're gonna write the text in it. So let's just add one by one each of the letters. Here you go. Now select all of them and we're gonna separate them and put them in a manner that we want them to look. So let's put it right here and this one right here, and this is gonna be our last one. So let's move it next to the 8. Now select all of them and move them to the right side. Now what we're gonna do is move them in their positions. Like for those that we want to be in the front, we're gonna send them to the front, and for those that we want to be in the back, we're gonna just send them to the back. So similarly, we're only gonna repeat the process one by one according to what letter alphabets we want to be in front and which ones we want to be in the back of the previous letters. So let's select all of them and give them this fifth shadow. Go to Format Shape, go to Text Options, and reduce the transparency to 0. And for this eye, let me just do the same. Close the format background. What we're going to do is just reposition all of these text boxes next to each other in a nice pattern that all of the alphabets are visible fully, and we can make out the words which we have written. So the word I'm gonna use is Vietnam, and as you can see, I'm gonna use the background image of Vietnam as well. So the theme of this slide is discovering the night city of Vietnam. So we're gonna use just this like text of about Vietnam, and you can use this template for traveling purposes or for traveling commercial purposes. So let's just add a more text box and we're gonna give it the left side alignment. Remove the text that you don't want to see in your template, and then we're gonna give it a white fill, and let's just move it downwards right underneath the Vietnam. Now we're gonna insert another text box and we're gonna insert a round corner rectangle and make it fully rounder. Change this fill to black and add our first text in it. Similarly, what we're gonna do is duplicate it and we're gonna add our second, like the alphabet or letters, and we're gonna give the fill to the rounded corner rectangle of orange. Here you go. Next, we're gonna go to the format picture and we're gonna decrease its brightness more so that we can clearly make out what the words are saying. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus, you can also hit the bell icon to get latest videos.